Alright guys, so this is just a little update of the car. DC Sport intake, and it's carb legal, so that's pretty nice. Just this particular design blows the eBay $40, $50 eBay intake out the water. So much better, so much it pulls so much more, and it has like the proper attachment and everything. It's pretty secure. I put a hose here and I bypassed this piece right here, so I'm not getting all that hot air, but it still gets pretty warm. Well, yeah, and then also I got a DC Sport header. It was cheap off of eBay, so I picked it up, and you could see right there where the car's like freaking hot, but you could see right there, just in case there was a leak because it was previously repaired, I put some sealant and this stuff you mix with water and you clean the surface, and yeah, I just put it right there all in between the collector and stuff, and yeah, so it doesn't leak or nothing. It's a huge improvement. Very, very nice. Like mid-range to like top end is so much better. 35 miles per hour downshift, and then you tap on the throttle. It's a nice more response, like torquier compared to the other the other manifold. And then also I got a huge gain in power, because you see where the header meets the cat, or that downpipe, whatever, where you see the gasket. Well, mine was blown. I had a hole in mine. So it was basically just spitting out, exhaust fumes and all that stuff. And then every single time I'll pass a car, or I'll be like by the center divider of the freeway, I can hear it ticking. And ever since I ever since I replaced that with the brand new flange gasket, the car takes off so much more better, so effortlessly. And honestly, the intake and manifold are like down here, and just changing that made the biggest difference. It just blows it out the water. That was a good difference, just changing that gasket. But yeah, so that's it right there. I'm gonna be posting more videos, and yeah, just little DIYs of what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm getting pretty close to like the limit on this car, and pretty soon I'm just gonna have to be doing cleaning and doing other little stuff instead of dumping money into this, because this car is rather expensive. But yeah, so that's just a little video of the car. If you like it, if you want to see more, please subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. And finally, I'm running carb legal and legit, and it's freaking sweet.